Hi, my name is Kent and welcome to this online courses, right? Well, basically we're using the tools called the Zoom, right? So I will get you to connect to the meeting by giving you a ID, right? So there's an ID here, so you can just join that, and after that, you will be able to see that these are some of the screens that I can show, right? So if you are joining here, then you get a list of them, right? So next one is that how do I start connecting, right? If you can learn, right, then that means you can, right? So let's say I'm talking about how to create a slide, right? Or how to change a slide, right? I go to the home tab, and if you can see that, right, then that means you are learning, right? So now I'm going to point to these, right? So I can use these text box. I can use this erasers and so on, right? So I'm going to use the right here, right? So I got this diagram here. See that? Click on this home, right? So click on the home tab, and then click on the layout, and you can change that to a favorite layout, right, that you like, right? So for example, right, this is school time, so you can get ready with a subject, right? So then after that, what's the some of the important things that you want to talk about, so you can type in that. So if you can do this in the PowerPoint, you can do the same for in what I call that, the uh, Word as well, right? So I can also talk about adding an icon, right here. Just go to Insert tab, go to icon, and that's all, right? So, and that is how useful, right? So now if you are in the video, right, then you can also talk to me, right? Because we have interactions here point, right? If you have somebody here, then you can talk and we can chit chat and so on. So you can see my face as well as other students as well. So thanks for watching, and this is just how the online course is going to work, right? Thank you.